So there's the old saying, you live and you learn, right? If you were to engage with Hennessey Digital 6 years ago, the way in which we worked, if you're a new client and you have to maybe get something added to a website, for instance, let's just say there's a new attorney that's hired and you want to send us over their bio and their photo and you want to get them added to your website. In most cases, it would go through the account manager. The account manager might, be off for the next 2 days, and it might just kind of sit in their email box. And this is a priority to you. And, next thing you know, they get back from vacation and, then, they basically send it over to engineering and the engineering team kind of works to get it published, right? So that might make you mad because you wanted that done 4 days ago, right? What we did was we actually changed our system. So now what we do is we've got a specific email that all clients send requests like this into. It goes to a support channel and then creates a ticket. And then that ticket gets assigned immediately to one of our customer service technical engineers who will then basically take care of that request, usually within, maybe like an hour or two. In some cases, if it's a big request, it might take 24 hours. But we've gotten really quick about this. And this is one of the things that a lot of our clients that come to us that have worked with other agencies have said, this is such a night and day difference. Like I'll send over a support request on like a Saturday morning thinking that it won't get done till Monday. And you guys have somebody like on call, like getting that stuff done even on Saturday morning. So overall, great experience. And so I'm very proud of what our engineering team has done with this. And hopefully that's one of the things that really differentiates Hennessey Digital from other agencies.